Yeah, hello guys. My name is Ajay and I'm a lead gen specialist. Today I'm going to walk you through one of our clients' campaigns so that we have recently started working and we have generated somewhat great results. And this is a company which is like who are making more than 1 CR. It's between 50 lakh to more than 1 CR per month. So that is their average sale. So if we convert that in dollars, so that's basically more than $50,000 to we can say $150,000 per month. That is their average revenue, and they are really doing great. They are spending more than they have spent more than $100,000 in ads as of now, and generated more than $1 million business. So I'll just walk you through how these big brands and big companies are working, how the paid media could help them and is helping them to generate more business. What strategies they are using, what exactly is the strategy that you can use if you are into the solar roofing or home improvement, home interior designing niche, because these are pretty high ticket. These companies serve high ticket products and they have high ticket services as well. So it's not that easy to convert and get leads, just because people don't really trust, and people only trust and fill their information, give their information if they trust the company, if they have the brand value, and if one is able to deliver the right thing in front of the customer. So today I'm going to walk you through how exactly these things are working, and you can use the same strategy, same tactics to get the leads and grow your own business. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, guys, this is the campaign from our client. Uh, we have started working. It's been like 4 days as of now, and we have started generating them leads within the first day. So these are the campaigns. We have tried a few, and these two are working great with the lowest CPL. And till date, we have spent around 12,000 rupees, and we have generated uh, 9 and 12 leads as of now. And the best thing is, one lead is almost uh, in their last stage of closing. So they have approved everything. The home visit has been done, quotation is sent, and the customer is ready to get started. So that is the great thing. So out of these 12 leads, one is already in at the last stage of their closing, or you can say it is just pre-closed. So now I'll just walk you through like what exactly I'm using as the targeting stuff. So there are two campaigns that I have set. One is broad targeting and one is interest-based targeting. So I'll just walk you through these two campaigns. What exactly I'm using inside them, like what exactly the ad set and the ads looks like. So first, let's go into the broad targeting thing. So in this, there's nothing too much to show you. So yeah, this is the ad set. So I'm using the instant form thing. We are Yeah, so I'm using 1250 ad budget for this particular campaign. So this is just the starting. So we have allocated $2,500, so 2,500 rupees per day as the ad budget. So I set two campaigns. One is the broad targeting, one is interest targeting, and I set equal amount in both the campaigns, and both are working great. So if similarly like these things work in the same if they generate the same results or better results, then we can obviously like increase the budget and get more leads. It's as simple as that. That's the scaling part. So yeah, we are targeting only one location. I cannot really show you what the location is. The ad, like the age targeting is between 28 to 60 years. So why I have chosen this particular age range? Because below 28, it's mostly like student life, or they are like in their early stages of their starting of business or maybe like job. So they really don't have the budget. They are not pretty serious, and they are not, first of all, the owners. In most of the cases, they are not the owner of the home. And above 60, so it's basically they want to save their money and they really don't want to invest too much in their home. Yeah, but before 60, people are really interested in, getting a lavish home, getting their luxury interiors done. So it's basically around 30 to 60, or you can say 28 to 60, is a good range to get started with if you are selling a high ticket product. And that is basically the home interior side. In terms of gender, it's like both male and female, and these are broad targeting. So not really set anything in terms of demographics, interests, or behavior. And about the placement, so I most of the cases, in 99% cases, I choose manual placement because I don't want our client's budget to be wasted. So based on the type of graphics that we are using, we put the placements. So I just want to show only on the locations where my graphics could be seen to the customer, and not like if in a corner, if there's a small thing written over there that yeah, we are selling home interiors, and you can just book them, book us for your so that's not really gonna work out, because there are too many companies who are doing the same thing. And if people don't see what exactly we have to offer them, then they are not gonna click on the ad and fill in the form and proceed further. So our motive is to show them what we have in offer, what exactly our current or past clients, customers has seen in terms of changing their home, in terms of interior designing. Like, are they happy? Like, about the testimonials and about our new designs. So I just want to show these particular things. So based on this, I'm using the Facebook and Instagram ads, and I'm using only the feeds and stories and reels, that where I can show my graphics. So as per Facebook, like we are estimately like the reach estimated is around 32 to 90K, 92,000 people, and leads that we can get is approx like 77 to 28 leads per day, with the ad budget of 1250. Now I'll show you what exactly the ad graphics looks like. So yeah, this is the ad graphic. I'm using the image and this because we have even tried the video, but the CPL was really high. So I just switched myself into the the image graphics, and these are really working great. So these are three types of graphics that I'm using, three different graphics. And after running for around 7 to 10 days, whatever graphic is not working or ad is not working, we can pause them out and utilize most of our funds in only the ads that are working really great. So that is the one of the strategies that we can save our funds on. And after, like, obviously, like, you have to try a few things, so you have to give some time, like at least a week or 10 days. So about the primary text, we are just giving the two primary texts, and two to three headlines. One is here, one is this one that AI has generated for us. And apart from that, like, this is the uh, you know uh, the form that we are using. So we are just asking them what type of property you have, uh, uh, like when it is your property position status, uh, and apart from that, it's like the project name and the phone number. So that is how we just ask our customers of yeah, we ask our customers to fill in the form, and we are just asking these information, and these are really important because if a customer is spending around like 2 to 5 minutes in filling up a form, and if he's giving his personal information, that means he's serious, he's looking for that particular thing. Now it's the client who has to see the customer's requirement and give him the offer according to their budget. So every customer is like can be closed, only like the terms are, it has to be like the offer has to be in their budget. We have to present only the things that they want to get in their home and they want for themselves. And yeah, that's all, like, because people are filling up the form, right? So they are spending around like 2 to 5 minutes. of their busy life, and if they only need the thing, they are inquiring us. So yeah, that's all pretty much from my side. So yeah, this is the broad campaign. I'll just walk you through what the interest-based campaign looks like. So everything is same. All the activities are same. Interest targeting is same, and just the difference is the budget is same. Yeah, just the difference is this particular thing. So we are just targeting only based on these interests. So people, so this is also a testing phase. So again, like this campaign is working good for us because CPL of this campaign is lower than the broad targeting. But again, like in just 2 to 3 days, we can't really tell you or we can't really conclude what campaign would be best for future. So it's better to use them and keep running them for a longer run. Maybe like around like 10 days is what I can say, because people is sorry, these campaigns are in learning phase as of now. So Facebook's algorithm works in a way that whatever data you are putting in, these particular campaigns are learning based on those data. They are targeting and reaching out only the customers whom we have asked to reach them. So this in this particular campaign, it is the interest-based targeting. So only the customers who are having these type of interest, whether they might be searching, they might be googling it, they might be have put these type of keywords into their Facebook, or these keywords might be in their history. Maybe they are searching on YouTube. So it's like Google and Facebook have all the data that we have in our mind, and we are searching in our system and phone. So that's basically the thing. These are into the learning phase. So keep running them for at least like 10 to 12 days or 15 days, and then you can decide what campaign you have to keep, and what campaign you have to pause. And then once you find the best campaign, you can put all your funds into that and keep running it for as long as possible, as long as it's giving you results. So I'll just show you as I was talking about this company. So yeah, they they're really a massive company. So they are spending huge amount per day, per month, and till date they have spent more than it's basically around $80,000 if we tell in terms of US dollars. So $80,000 spending in ad budget is really huge, and this is just the Facebook. In future we are going to implement the ads in Facebook and sorry, in Google as well, and they are into SEO as well. So they will be receiving organic leads, they will be receiving leads through Google. So this is the ad budget, which is only they have invested in one ad campaign, so one ad account. So this is just one ad account that I'm showing you. They have multiple ad accounts, they are using multiple platforms. So they have spent more than I can say 150,000 US dollars, or even more. I don't know. I know only about this particular uh, ad account. So yeah, they have generated massive leads, like as you can see, every campaign like around 600 leads, around 300 leads, plus around 400 leads, 1000 plus post engagements, 7432 leads. So they have spent really huge amount, and they have got really good business out of this. And now I'm the guy they have trusted on me, and I'm handling for them this particular service. And we have generated good leads in last 3 4 days, and one lead is almost like in the closing stage. So in 3 days, one closing, I think it is one of the best, conversions. And this is just the starting, I would say. And we are using only the minimum funds as of now. So because we just don't want to waste the money. Once we get the, an ad or a campaign that is working really great for them, we can put all their money into this. So they are capable to spend around $5,000 in terms of US dollars, in like per month in these ads only on Facebook. So that is their budget. So sooner or later, by next month, we are gonna spend 5 times of what we are spending as of now, and we will be generating 5 times the business that we will be generating this month. So yeah, guys, that is all from my side. So if you are the one you know who want to set their campaign, or uh, who want someone to handle the marketing stuff for you, then we are the guys who are doing really awesome. We have got multiple case studies from our multiple clients. They are really happy. We are currently working with them and generating really good awesome results. You can trust on us, you can ping us, and we'll set up everything for you, and you just focus on your sales. That is what I would say. So yeah, that is all from my side. Have a great day.